Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today I'll show you how to crochet the flower stitch. For a sample, start with the chain 40 or any multiple of 3 plus 1. Skip the first chain and single crochet in the next chain and single crochet in each stitch across. When you get to the end, chain 1 and turn your work. For this row, just single crochet in each stitch across again. At the end of this row, we're going to insert the green color. Start your single crochet, then finish it with the green yarn. Chain 3 and turn. For this green row, we're going to do a V-stitch in the next stitch, which is a double crochet, chain 1, and a double crochet. Then skip 2 stitches. And in that third stitch, do another V-stitch, which is 1 double crochet, 1 chain, and 1 double crochet. Skip 2 stitches, and in the next stitch, do the V-stitch again. Skip 2 stitches, and continue with this pattern across the row. After your last V-stitch, make 1 double crochet in the very last stitch. But before we finish that stitch, insert in the pink yarn. Chain 3 and turn your work. In each of the center of the V-stitches, we're going to do a 3 double crochet puff stitch. To begin, make a double crochet, but don't finish it. Make a second double crochet, but don't finish it. And then make a third double crochet without finishing it. Yarn over and draw your hook through all the loops on your hook. Then chain 2. I'll show this again. Begin with the first double crochet. Next, a second double crochet. Finally, the third and final double crochet. Yarn over and draw through all of the loops on your hook. Then chain 2. Continue with this 3 double crochet puff stitch pattern in the middle of all of the V's across the row. At the end, make a double crochet in the very last stitch and switch back to the white yarn. Chain 1 and turn. On this row, we'll start off with a single crochet in the first stitch, then a single crochet on the top of the flower, then 2 single crochet stitches in the previous chain 2 space, a single crochet on top of the flower, and 2 single crochet stitches in the chain 2 space. Continue making a single crochet on top of the flower and 2 single crochet stitches in each chain 2 space across. At the end, place 1 more single crochet in the last stitch. Chain 1 and turn. On this next row, just make 1 single crochet in each stitch across. At the end, we'll be switching back over to the green color again. Chain 3 and turn. For this row, we'll repeat what we did for the other green row. Do your V-stitch in the next stitch. Skip 2, and another V-stitch. Once this row is complete, follow it with a pink flower row, then 2 single crochet white yarn rows. Continue this for as long as you wish, ending with 2 single crochet rows. And that's how I make the flower stitch.